The term self-sufficiency, with its associations and connotations of reducing dependence on constant inputs, is not a vacuum. We're very orientated and self-absorbed as humans to think it's all about us and that it's a human concept. We could argue that something as unlikely as an elkhorn is, in fact, self-sufficient, but also makes our own lives and homes more self-sufficient too. How? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel called Grow, Gather, Raise. And yes, that's me in my dressing gown. You can probably hear I have a bit of a blocked nose today and I'm taking it easy, and I've decided to do this little project that I've been avoiding. I was gifted this elkhorn fern a few months ago, and in all honesty, I thought, what am I going to do with it? What use is it to me? Which is a selfish thing to say, really, but I really am hesitant with things that will cost me more time or money for little or no return. Watch me now as I mount this unwanted little fern onto a board, and minute by minute, I actually slowly realised that I was wrong. Wrong not because it produces food or replaces a major resource, but because it has low input. It doesn't actually require regular fertilizing. It doesn't need a pot or soil. It can practically live for decades on a plank of wood with little care. It can even be seen as a little composting system all on its own. Once mine is a little bigger, and if put outside, its shield fronds will trap material and slowly turn it into nutrients. It will begin to gather fallen leaves, dust, and moisture from the air. If kept inside my home, I have contemplated that it could and will actually reduce consumption of seemingly unrelated things like disposable decorations and the need to buy other indoor plants that are perhaps more frequently replaced over time and need more input themselves. A mature elkhorn becomes a permanent, long-lived, living feature rather than something you constantly buy and replace. We sometimes forget that a self-sufficient home that focuses on reducing dependence on constant inputs doesn't have to be just about chickens, vegetables, and livestock, but an elkhorn fits that philosophy perfectly as well. An elkhorn fern may not feed my family, but it represents the principles of self-sufficiency, low inputs, and creating a living system that can thrive with minimal intervention. Here I mount my fern on the plank of wood using stainless steel wire and 2 screws. This one, as I finish mounting it onto my bathroom wall, all of a sudden becomes welcome in my house, instantly a feature, and plays a small part of self-sufficiency within the larger ecosystem of my farm. Thanks for listening and being patient until the end. If you're looking for more videos like this one or interested in my hobby farm and my self-sufficiency journey, its fails and its wins, subscribe to follow me, and see you next time.